Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations. Today is another unboxing of the Wal-Mart box. So let's get it open and let's take a peek inside. So inside it says embrace your beauty. You can enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think about the box. It's a survey. There's some cute little pink paper here. Okay, it looks like the foam conditioner. It's the same exact thing that came in the last box. Same stuff. If you watched my last video on the unboxing of the Wal-Mart box. And there is Garnier Skin Active Soothing Moisturizer, a day-night mask. It is made with rose water. It says 3-in-1 benefits on it. Another Garnier, it's Fruitus, I think, damaging repair treatment, 1-minute hair mask. It has banana, no, I'm sorry, papaya extract, whoops. And then there are 2 aches and pains, muscle relief, bath oil and body wash is one, and lotion for your hand and body is the other. And then we have some Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. And then it looks like a little bit about the treatment. Gives you an idea here of some other. And then this is for that soothing 3-in-1. Gives you a little bit more information. And then it looks like there is a donkey milk skin gel mask. Nourish and restore. And that's a gel. And then the directions on the that foam conditioner. Tell you how to do it. And that's it for the box. So it looks pretty interesting here. We'll have to try some of these things and get back with you and let you know how they are. I hope you like the Wal-Mart box. Take care. Till next time. Bye-bye.